Grim Reaper Sleeper SuperCharge Accord Project. Guys, welcome back to the Accord. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got the Accord back here. So, guys, check that out. This is the Grim Reaper Sleeper SuperCharge Accord, as you guys can see. Well, it's a SuperCharge Accord for now. It's not supercharged yet. It's just a project that we're doing. So let me show y'all real quick what we got so far on there. I said we're going to eliminate all the weight it has. So we started from making all this coupe. It's a 98 Accord, but we're making it with a coupe grill, coupe front, coupe hood, coupe mirrors, everything for right now. And we're going to eventually turn that hood into fiberglass with the fenders and everything lightweight, as said. So this is part 2 from the custom-made weight loss of the vehicle. Delete weight from it. All right, guys. So let me show you guys quickly before it starts raining, because I make this quick video from part 2 of the dash, custom-made dash that I'm making. Already made here. I'm still finishing up some details on it. So let me show y'all real quick what we're talking about here. Okay, guys, we have. Can I just do this? Guys, we have the actual performance tools we're doing here. Everything that's going to be placed on this Accord for the project. Real quickly, guys, we're going to start with computers. Okay, we got a chip P28 with a chip 4-bar map sensor. We're using that for the programming of the system. Then we're going to use fuel pressure regulator, guys. Remember, computer brain-wise, fuel line, spark, transmission, and the rest is motor. All right, and cam. So right now we're doing a fuel pressure regulator to install with that. The fuel line has a few things. Still missing like 2 more. You got the fuel pressure regulator. The computer thing is only missing just those 2. 4-bar map sensor and the computer itself for our brain. Then we have what's here for the fuel line is 1,000 cc's injectors. Let me show y'all, guys, not a joke. There it is. 1,000 cc's. There it is. 1,000 cc's fuel injection for the Grim Reaper Sleeper SuperCharge Accord, 6th gen Accord. So let me show y'all quickly what's going inside the project. Right, that's the fuel injectors, fuel pressure regulator, and then finally we got, real quickly, guys, the most amazing fuel pumps. That's Wirtz fuel pump. This is the most beautiful BMW version. As you guys can see, high performance, fresh out the box. That's Wirtz fuel pump, guys. This is a huge fuel pump. It's actually the that's Wirtz 415 liter per hour. 40 PCIs starts with like normal. You could custom made any vehicle. It could be street legal, not legal, whatever it is. But this thing is a monster. It's way better than the Walbro Hellcat, that fake stuff, all that stuff. This is way better. This is real. This is not even a joke. That's where it's 415 LPH, 40 PCIs. This thing's a monster. Just look at the inside of this thing. Turbine, big, huge hole. Look at that hole, humongous. And this thing is a high performance for very, very, very lot of pressure, fuel pressure. So all this is building up into that fuel pressure regulator that's going to help us in boost injection with the injectors with 1,000 cc's. You guys just can imagine it. It's going to be a lot of fuel power inside this SuperCharge Accord project. So as I said, guys, I showed you guys the fuel line, okay, which is that's Wirtz 415 liter per hour. Go check it out. Go look at it on YouTube. That's a very great fuel pump. Read about it, study about it. It's professional. It's been tested already against the most highest performance fuel pumps. 415. That's Wirtz, guys. And then we're going to have 4-bar map sensor, as I said. And finally, we have the spark, guys. This is a coil that mounts up to 60,000 volts. Very strong coil. So I'm going to show you guys this Accord. There's only one one coil inside the distributor. Well, this coil is up to 60,000, guys. Goes in with that. Also, this is the amplifier that it's made with the spark, where you can tune it how much. With this, you guys tune this to that to this. Okay, this is actually your spark ignition. We have where you can actually, you guys can right there, 1, 2, 3 adjusted for more spark. If you're competition, if you're doing a drag race, if you're doing just the actual two-step on the Honda Accord, you want to do the two-step or drag race, you could adjust it and modify and tune it just with this amplifier, AEM Performance Electronics. Okay, but we're going to buy a new one anyways. This is a twin fire capacitor discharge ignition module, but we're going to have we have another one coming in, so it's a different brand, but they all do the same thing, very professional. Make sure you get the ones that are made for drag racing. Always get the real ones. This is AEM, everybody knows about that. So guys, there it is. That's the these are just some of the bolt-ons that we're adding on to the vehicle. Besides the computer, the rest is just a bunch of bolt-ons, bolt-ons. So we're just gonna start custom making this SuperCharge Accord. Yes sir. So there it is, guys. Just to show you guys just the beginning. We got computerized sensors, we have fuel line, injectors, fuel pressure regulator, and we also need a fuel boost line sensor module. And then we have the spark for the camshaft, which would be 60,000 volt distributor coil. It's super important to have because that's aftermarket racing coil. Then you have the amplifier that goes to program how much direct trigger spark you want and how much to ram the RPMs to drag racing mode. So there it is, guys. Thanks for watching. And finally, guys, well, we're going to show you guys what is our first step, our first SuperCharge step edition we're doing. Okay, we're going to do, like I said, we're doing two different, we're just starting with a charger, SuperCharger, and then we're going to go to see if we can mount a Pro Charger in here for competition with those K24 pistons. All right, guys, there it is. There's the SuperCharger, guys, that we're using. This is actually a very unique, known SuperChargers used for Hondas. I think it's an ME64. If I'm not right, correct me, one of you guys on the comments. You guys should know which one exactly this is, but I think it's a ME64. And it goes to like a BMW and those type of cars, Audis. Okay, 4.0 liter. Also Ford Explorers, Range Rover. Range Rover has this for 4.2 liter. So it's for a big liter car. As you can see, a V6. It's a SuperCharger. All right, guys. We got the wastegate that's going to go to the, of course, the line, all the pipeline housing. We're going to add the wastegate to it. Okay, guys. So there it is. We're talking about a SuperCharge Accord. Tie the belt right there. So that's the SuperCharger we're going to use. It's a very big, for a very nice size SuperCharger for this Accord. A very great addition to use for now, just to start with it. Guys, we are going to delete this because this comes from the Range Rover. This is the throttle. As you guys can see, it's a throttle body. The throttle. And this comes actually from the stock agency vehicle. So, as we said, guys, we took it out of a Range Rover. That's where we took it out of, exactly. But this SuperCharger is a nice, high, large, huge SuperCharger for this motor. This is a 2.3 liter vehicle, but since I dropped K24 pistons on it, it's a little bit higher than 2.3 now. We transformed it into a 2.4 liter, guys. Yes, so there you have it. 2.4 liter we transformed it to. So, and then we're gonna delete that. Okay, that's gonna be deleted. We're just gonna put a little plate here. All right, a little metal frame plate here. That's it. It's gonna be deleted. It's gonna be like, basically, if I could take this out, I'll show you guys, but it's just a little circle here. Put a little frame plate. Just delete that, and it's gonna come out of here, and it's gonna come out of here, coming in here. So you guys are gonna see, it's gonna be a monster. We just need to add the flanger. The flanger is gonna be attached. Adding custom-made flanger into the. Let me show y'all what I did here, real quick, because I actually making this video for the dash. See, this is the custom-made dash, guys, that I made. Remember, this came out of a coupe. my other videos. Go back to my videos. I took this out of the coupe, and we'll show you why it's custom right now. Of course, right now it looks terrible. It looks like normal, right, from the agency, but we'll show you guys in a minute what happened. So as you can see, the original car is brown khaki. Okay, so this is not from the vehicle. So that's the custom made. Go back to my shorts videos and you guys will see when I took this out from a coupe or had it out. So let's open this up first, just to show you guys what we're talking about, what is coming with the SuperCharge, and what is the custom made secret of the dash. Okay, let me show you guys real quick. If I can hold the camera right, guys, hold on. Let me get to hold the camera correctly because I'm recording here. I'm not really a good recorder. Like I said, this is, here we go. All right, so what we deleted, guys, you see the AC compressor? So that's where we're gonna actually put on that supercharger you see over there, guys. Yes, that supercharger right there. A huge supercharger comes out of Range Rover. We're gonna be mounting it right in here. Exactly, taking that out. That's where we're gonna add the flanger. You see the 4 bolts. We're gonna add a flanger in there to hold on to the supercharger, and then we're gonna add the supercharger's radiator right here in the front, because I took out the AC. See, guys, look, I took out all the AC's radiator. You guys can look good in there. I took all the AC's radiator, all the AC system, even the little this little thing, this whole entire thing right here. You guys can see. I'm sorry. So you guys have to take all that extra weight off. Okay, that's just, guys, that's just all extra weight for if you guys want to compete or race. So as you guys can see, this car is gonna be straight for racing. It's gonna have no weight at all. This is what I was talking about, guys. That I deleted the what is it called? The frame that goes in there. A big metal frame that's attached side to side, end to end. All that's gone. So there's no weight in this Accord, guys. Nothing but motor. That's it. Nothing but motor. That's all we're gonna have. Motor. That's it. And wheels. And then just the frame with the chassis. That's all it's gonna have, guys. So it's gonna be so light. All right, guys. Right now it's a little bit of a mess. I'm just starting the project. This motor does have K24 pistons on it. Go back to the video. We got the K24s. The LSD on the transmission. Okay. So there it is, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Let me show you about the dash once again. Let's go back. All right. So you guys see I deleted the AC. Right. You guys see I deleted all that, right? All the AC line, all the housing line that goes in here. That's all gone. We just got this little guy that I have to install. In fact, this, but I got to get the battery out of here so I can put this big old thing in that big intake. Y'all see that intake, right? That's a monster. Yes, sir. We got it open right there and right there. So that's how it goes. For right now, it's fully aspirated. That's what I have it, fully aspirated. But then we're going to drop that supercharger in here, and that's going to delete that, and we're going to add the supercharger line, pipeline in the back. Let me show you guys about what I was talking about, the dash. Before we finish up here, the dash, guys, what I mean is custom made here, okay, is that this has no weight to it. Okay, remember, the AC comes with the fan, the AC conductor, the whole entire AC system. Well, all that is deleted, and including, guys, we have no metal frame inside of here. Check it out, guys. Look at it. I want you guys to do the exam. Finally, after all the custom, I'm not done with it because I got to repaint it. I got to take it out again and repaint this all beautiful black. But right now, I'm just driving around because it's a daily car. But look at it. There's no metal frame in here. All the plastic conductor, all the conductor plastic that covers that radiator that comes with the defroster, all that plastic is deleted. You guys can't see no metal, nothing. The frame is cut. If you guys look, take a look, guys. The frame is cut. Y'all see that? All we got is the column frame. But inside the middle is all cut. You don't see no metal frame at all. Go back to my videos, please. You guys can see where I cut it all out. There is no metal frame at all going from side to side. That's the other side there, inside. That's where the glove department is at right there. And the other side is the wall. Side wall, the passenger side. So there's no metal frame at all that holds on to this at all. That's called cutting out, right? It's all cut out. All cut out way in there. The only thing I left was the metal adapter with the column that comes with the column. There it is. I'm sorry. There it is. That little metal adapter you guys see right there that holds the column. You see it right there screwed on? Right there. Screwed on right there. Yes. Right there's the only thing I left of this dash right here. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. The Grim Reaper Sleeper. Yeah. So I custom made this dash. There's no weight. Look, guys. Look how it moves. Look. You see how it moves? Look. See that? There's no metal here at all. There's no metal inside of here. It's supposed to come attached and screwed on. There's no metal there. Look. There's nothing. It's just a piece of... There's nothing there, guys. Just the dash holding on to life. So, thanks for watching. So, you guys, the dash is holding on. Just dash. All we got is just dash. That's it. Just this little frame thing, whatever it is. I think it's a foam or whatever. That's all we got. And, of course, we kept the dash for now until we get a digital dash for racing. But for right now, we kept the stock at, you know, everything stock. Looking like a normal car, but actually, it's custom made for racing. Thanks for watching, y'all. The Grim Reaper Sleeper. The Grim Reaper Sleeper. Oh, y'all see the ECU down there? Y'all see that? Well, that's where the P28 is going to go to. P28 is going to go in there. Thanks for watching, y'all. The Grim Reaper Sleeper. Stay tuned to my channel for more modifications, more things we're doing. Of course, you guys see I'm deleting all weight. Even the carpet's gone, so thanks for watching. The Grim Reaper Sleeper. Guys, it's the Grim Reaper Sleeper Supercharger cord. And here it is once again, guys. This is just some of the stuff that you guys need to add on. You want to race against a Chevy Camaro, or want to race against a Mustang, or one of those Dodge Scat Packs, which we call them for Hondas, we call them snack packs. But they always tell you, be careful when you see a Honda and a laptop. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay tuned. The Grim Reaper Sleeper. Thanks, guys.